Time now for First Alert Weather with meteorologist Rob Nucatola.
All right, we get started on our Tuesday. Very warm and very muggy out there again. A lot of temperatures are struggling to fall out of the 80s this morning because we've got some clouds lingering about and had some showers that hung on till late last night. The more clouds that we have, the earlier the showers re-fire up today. Maybe we can prevent those temperatures from getting so high in the first place. It still feels like we're going to see a lot of low 90s, but how far into the 90s is going to really hinge on who's got more clouds and who's getting the showers earlier. A lot of us had to wait till 3, 4, 5 p.m. yesterday, even later than that in some areas, to finally get some of that rain, and that's why we saw temperatures way up in the mid-90s. I think today a better chance to get those showers going earlier, and hopefully that'll keep our temperatures closer to where a 24-hour temperature cast is expecting. Still feels like we're still going to get up into the 90s. Now, as far as the setup goes this morning, I see some of the showers evaporating by 1, 2 o'clock, and now it's just some clouds lingering back. We'll look for some fog out there this morning, though I haven't seen too much yet. What's left of Beryl still bringing some rain up through parts of Arkansas, Missouri, and it's going up into the Ohio Valley. For us, we're just bottled up in all this warm, humid, unstable air, so it doesn't take much to get those showers going. At the airport in Tallahassee, it's 79 this morning. In Valdosta, we're at 77. Thomasville, actually one of the cool spots at 75. Everybody again with those dew point temperatures that are way up in the 70s. So for a lot of us, it feels a little warmer than it actually is even this morning. So we're talking about heat index values even at 5 o'clock in the morning. As we get to the afternoon, those heat index values can get super high, but this is the first time in a while no heat advisories issued for our area yet. We'll see if maybe something changes, if some of those showers struggle to develop and the National Weather Service jumps in on that. But for the time being, let's keep those advisories off the page. It's 85 this morning at Apalachicola, really warm down towards the coast. I see a bunch of 75s and up for most of our area. Blakely coming in a little cooler at 73 degrees. If there's a breeze today, that breeze will be more from the southwest, and that's usually one of those wind directions that helps to spread out those showers a little bit better. So it's another reason our thinking is we can get some more showers in more spots and starting earlier. Here are those visibility numbers, all better than 6 miles, and you'd think with all this humidity we'd find more fog, but not the case this morning. Lots of clouds still lingering, and I think that's going to be the story today, tonight, tomorrow night. And then things start to change a little bit. The remnants are gone, some of this humid air gone, a little boundary tries to sink on in, and we may even mix in some drier air later on this week, which would make it feel different outside. For today, Futurecast wants to get those showers going 1, 2, 3 o'clock. The sooner the better if you want to keep the temperatures down, and maybe we can get some showers maybe in some of those areas that missed out yesterday. I think tomorrow we could see the showers even earlier still, so better chances for more showers in more places and earlier both today and tomorrow. We get to Thursday, and you notice how those yellow wind arrows come from a different direction. They're coming from the top down. So a little bit of drier air tries to filter in, and I think what that can do for us is maybe cut some of the humidity. It's not going away, but maybe it won't be as high or as oppressive as it's been for these past several days, and likely will still be for today and for tomorrow. If we remove some of that humidity, maybe we don't feel as icky, sticky, gross out there as we've been, and maybe that's a little bit of relief even if the temperatures stay awfully high. The tropics, they're really quiet for the first time in a while. Maybe a couple of waves way out across the Atlantic, but nothing that looks like it's firing up anytime soon. So the remnants of Beryl continue to bring some rain to the middle of the country, but that's it. Otherwise, nice and quiet in the tropics for the first time in a long time. On the Gulf today, southwest winds that are like 8 to 18, seas like 2 to 4 feet. We'll put a light to moderate chop in the protected waters. It's 70s, it's 80s, very muggy this morning. We're going to leave the rain chances around 70 or 80% today. A really good chance for more showers. The warm spots can get to like 93, 94, 95. I think a lot of us struggle to get into the low 90s today. It all depends on those showers, though. We stay muggy tonight. The showers eventually fizzle. And here we go with that 7-day forecast. You see how things get a little brighter, a little drier later on this week. And that's also when they get a little hotter.